If you suddenly got a PayPal notification saying, "You received money from the FTC Prime Subscription Settlement Fund," don't panic and don't celebrate too quickly, because today we're breaking down exactly what this payment really is and whether it's legit or just another fancy scam floating around the internet. A lot of people have been confused lately because the FTC recently announced a $2.5 billion settlement against Amazon Prime over allegedly tricking users into signing up or making cancellations difficult. And now thousands of users are reporting surprise payments landing in old email accounts they don't even use anymore. The payout amounts can go up to $51, but not everyone qualifies. And that's where the confusion begins. Some people are getting paid automatically through PayPal. Others are still being asked to fill out a claims form depending on how their Prime subscription was billed in the past. And yes, many are shocked to see these notifications going to ancient Gmail or Yahoo addresses they forgot existed, which is actually normal because refunds usually go to the email linked with your historic transaction, not your current account. People online are posting screenshots claiming they already received money. And while a good chunk looks real, there are also fake refund scams popping up pretending to be part of this settlement. The one thing you should always check is the sender. Real payments come from service@paypal.com, and anything else should be treated as suspicious. Overall, this whole situation isn't black or white. It's not automatically a scam, but it's not something to click blindly either. So if you got that notification, don't rush, don't ignore it. Just understand what's happening and verify everything before touching any links or claiming any payout.